Lesson 3. Advanced Editing in Word 2019. Chapter Outline. The chapter focuses on editing text, overtyping text, selecting text, performing spell check, modifying text, finding and replacing text, inserting text. Sukaba, last year you told me that we can type text in Word 2019. Yes. But how can we change the text when we have already typed? My teachers has also told me that I have made some mistakes in my assignment and I need to correct them. Okay, I will tell you how to edit your file. No, Sukaba, we do not need to edit it. We only want to change some text. Changing the text means editing only. Let me show you how to do this. Editing in Word 2019. Word 2019 allows the users to make changes in the document created. The process of making changes is called editing. Selecting text. Before making any change to the text, it is important to select the text. The selected text is highlighted in gray. The empty space at the left-hand margin of the text is known as selection bar. We can quickly select lines, paragraphs, or the whole document by using the selection bar. We can select text using a mouse, a keyboard, or both. Figure 3.1. Selecting text using mouse. We can select any part of the text by clicking at the beginning of the text and dragging the mouse over it. We can also select different part of the text by just clicking on the text as given below. To select, mouse action. A word. Double-click anywhere on that word. A line of text. Click on the selection bar to the left of the line. A paragraph. Triple-click anywhere on the paragraph, or double-click on the selection bar to the left of the paragraph. Entire document. Triple-click anywhere on the selection bar. 1. Place the cursor to the left of the word or sentence to be selected. 2. Use either keyboard or mouse to select the text. 3. The selected text is highlighted in gray. Selecting text using keyboard. Place the cursor to the left of the text from where you want to start selection. Press different keys to make different selections. To select, press 1 character towards right of cursor. Shift plus right arrow key. 1 character towards left of cursor. Shift plus left arrow key. 1 line up. Shift plus up arrow key. 1 line down. Shift plus down arrow key. Till the beginning of the line. Shift plus home key. Till the end of the line. Shift plus end key. Till the beginning of the document. Shift plus Control plus home key. Till the end of the document. Shift plus Control plus end key. Entire document. Control plus A. Selecting text using both keyboard and mouse. We can also select text by using both the keyboard and the mouse. To select, action. A sentence. Press and hold down Control key and click anywhere on the sentence. Multiple lines of text. Click at the start of the selection, press and hold down Shift key and click where the selection is to end. Inserting text. We can add new text in the document by placing the cursor to the right of the character, after which we want to insert text and then type the text. The existing text to the right of the text will keep shifting to the right as we insert the new text. Overtyping text. We can remove the existing text and type some new text in its place also. To do this, we need to select text we want to replace. We can then start typing the new text. As we type, the original text gets deleted and the new text replaces it. Spell check. Word 2019 also helps us in identifying spelling and grammatical mistakes. The spelling mistakes are highlighted with red wavy lines. The grammatical mistakes are highlighted with double blue lines. Figure 3.2. Grammatical mistake. Spelling mistake. To correct a spelling, right-click on the word. A pop-up menu opens with a list of suggested words. Choose the correct word from the list. Figure 3.3. We can click on Ignore All if we want to keep the word as it is and remove the line under it. We can check for spelling and grammatical mistakes in a document using the Spelling and Grammar option under the Review tab. 1. Click on the Review tab. 2. Click on Spelling and Grammar. A panel will open on the right side of the Word window with a list of suggestions for each highlighted mistake. Quick tips. To start the Spelling and Grammar feature, press F7 key. We can choose one of the following options. Select the correct word from the suggestions list and click on the Change button to replace the word. Click on the Change All button to replace the word appearing throughout the document. Click on Ignore Once or Ignore All to keep the spelling as it is. Click on Add to add the highlighted word to the dictionary so that it is not marked as a mistake in future. Smart Connect. The red and blue lines seen in the Word document do not appear on the paper when we print the document. When Word 2019 finishes checking the entire document, it displays a message as shown in Figure 3.6. Click on OK when the spelling check is complete. Adding slides. We can add as many slides as we want to a presentation. To add a slide, follow the steps shown in Figure 4.9. 1. To insert a similar slide as the previous one, just click on the top half of the New Slide button on the Home tab. 2. To select a slide with a new layout, click on the bottom half of the New Slide option. 3. We can select the layout of our choice from the Office theme layout options. 4. The new slide is displayed both in the Slides tab and the Slides pane. Adding pictures on a slide. We can add pictures on a slide to make the presentation attractive. Inserting a picture from a file. To insert a picture from a file, follow the steps shown in Figure 4.10. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. In the Images group, click on Pictures button. A drop-down menu opens. 3. Click on the This Device option from the menu. The Insert Picture dialog box opens. Quick tips. To add a new slide of the same layout as the current slide to the presentation, press Ctrl+M keys. 4. We can select the picture of our choice from the list of files. 5. Click on the Insert button. Working with text. In a PowerPoint presentation, text can be edited or formatted very similar to the way it is done in Word 2019. The first step to edit or format text as a slide is selecting the text. A highlighted box will appear over the selected text. Modifying font. To change the font, its size, style, color, or case, use the different buttons in the Font group of the Home tab. Select a font from the list to change font. Select a size to change the font size. Select to increase font size. Click to reduce font size. Click and select a color to change the color of the text. Click to change case, small or capital letters. Click to add a shadow to the text. Click to underline the text. Click to make the selected text italics. Click to make the selected text bold. Deleting text. To delete text to the left of the cursor, press the backspace key. To delete text to the right of the cursor, press the delete key. Copying or cutting and pasting text. We can copy and paste text as shown in figure 4.12. 1. Select the text to be copied. 2. Click on the Copy command on the Home tab. 3. Place the cursor where you wish to paste the text. 4. Click on the Paste command on the Home tab. The text will be pasted at the new place. Similarly, we can cut and paste text by using the Cut and Paste commands. Quick tips. To copy the selected text, press Ctrl+C keys. To cut the selected text, press Ctrl+X keys. To paste the selected text, press Ctrl+V keys. Moving the text box or placeholder. We can move the text box to any place on the slide. When we move the mouse pointer at the boundary of the text box, the pointer changes to a four-headed arrow, figure 4.12. Just click and drag this pointer. The text box also moves. Drop the text box at any place on the slide. Deleting a slide. We can delete a slide from our presentation. Just select the slide from the slides pane and press the Delete or Backspace key. We can also delete multiple slides. Press and hold down the Shift key and click on any two slides to select all the slides in between and delete. Press and hold down the Control key while clicking on non-adjacent slides and delete. Saving a presentation. To save the presentation for future use, follow the steps shown in figure 4.13. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Click on the Save option. 3. Click on the Browse. 4. The Save As dialog box. 5. Type a file name. 6. Click on the Save button. Viewing slideshow. Slideshow refers to displaying all the slides of a presentation in a sequence on the full screen. There are 3 ways to view a slideshow. Method 1. Click on the Slideshow tab and click on From Beginning, figure 4.14. Quick tips. To start the slideshow from the beginning, press F5 key. Method 2. Click on the Slideshow button on the status bar. This starts the slideshow from the current slide, figure 4.15. You can also press Shift plus F5 on the keyboard to start the slideshow from the current slide. Slideshow button. Exiting PowerPoint 2019. To close a presentation, click on the Close button on the title bar. If you have not saved the changes made in your presentation, a message box appears asking you to save it before closing. Click on Save option to save the file. Opening a presentation. 1. To open a saved presentation, go to the File tab and click on Open. 2. The Open dialog box appears. 3. Select the file you wish to open. 4. Click on the Open button. Quick tips. To open the Open dialog box, press Ctrl+O keys. Seek more. Visit to know about the new features introduced in PowerPoint 2019.